very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Russia's finance ministry and central bank are reportedly planning to launch a crypto exchange for qualified investors under an experimental legal regime. The platform will be aimed at super qualified investors, Finance Minister Anton Sulanov said during a ministry meeting, according to April 23rd reports from Russian media group RBC and Russian news agency Interfax. Investment manager Canary Capital has registered a statutory trust for a state exchange-traded fund in Delaware. This marks the initial step towards launching the product. To proceed, the firm will now likely file a Form S-1 registration statement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The New Hampshire Bitcoin Reserve Bill HB 302 has passed the Senate Finance Committee with a 4-1 vote. This decision marks a significant step forward for the bill, which is now one step closer to becoming law. The approval demonstrates growing support for Bitcoin adoption within the state as lawmakers continue to assess the potential benefit of establishing a Bitcoin reserve. The bill is set to move forward in the legislative process. The Toronto-listed SOL Strategies announced a convertible note facility for as much as $500 million to enhance its Solana-focused investments. The firm's shares rose as much as 18% following the announcement, settling at a 7% increase. SOL Strategies, which held over 26,000 SOL tokens as of last month, spearheaded the move of public companies adapting Strategies' Bitcoin treasury strategy to alternative digital assets. KuCoin is expanding into Southeast Asia with the launch of a crypto exchange platform in Thailand. On April 22nd, ERX Company Limited, Thailand's first SEC-supervised digital token exchange, rebranded as KuCoin Thailand after receiving a crypto exchange license. Existing ERX users have been migrated and the KuCoin TH app is available on Android and iOS. Thailand's crypto market is competitive with 8 other licensed exchanges, including market leader Bitcoin, which handles around $70 million in daily volume. KuCoin's global volume is about $3.8 billion daily. Though crypto trading is popular, crypto payments have been banned since 2022. In April, Thai regulators also targeted foreign peer-to-peer platforms to combat scams and money laundering. KuCoin is also working to resolve a lawsuit from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission over alleged violations of the Commodity Exchange Act. Binance is tightening crypto transfer rules for South African users starting April 30th due to local regulatory requirements. Users will need to provide additional details for deposits and withdrawals. Senders must share their information, while recipients will need to provide their full name, country, and destination exchange name. For transfers between personal accounts on different exchanges, only the receiving exchange's name is required. These changes will be enforced through mandatory pop-up prompts during transactions applying onto crypto transfers. Binance highlighted that the updates are necessary to comply with South African regulations, but did not mention similar measures for other countries. This move is part of Binance's broader global compliance efforts, including re-verifying identities in India to meet anti-money laundering regulations. Solana has emerged as a dominant force in the DeFi space, securing $13 billion in total value locked by March 2025, maintaining a significant lead over other blockchains like Arbitrum, Base, and Avalanche. Despite the broader crypto market slowdown, Solana's DeFi position remains strong, with the blockchain controlling 63% of the total decentralized exchange volume as of March 2025, down from 79% in December 2024, but still far ahead of competitors. In terms of trading volume, Solana's DEX ecosystem surpassed $100 billion in March 2025, setting a new record. XRP has seen a strong recovery in April 2025, bouncing back from a year-to-date low of $1.61 on April 7th to around $2.23, marking a 25% gain over the past 2 weeks. This price rebound coincides with a broader recovery in the crypto market and a significant rise in trading activity, particularly in derivatives. XRP's futures open interest surged by 32%, indicating renewed interest from traders and potentially growing confidence in the asset. However, despite the positive price momentum, the market remains divided. Data suggests that while more buyers have entered the spot market, many traders in the futures market continue to bet against a sustained XRP rally. This mixed sentiment reflects ongoing uncertainty about XRP's immediate direction. PancakeSwap recorded its highest ever quarterly trading volume of $205.3 billion in Q1 2025, a 922% increase from Q1 2023. Unique traders rose 81% to 5.8 million and transactions jumped 159% to 114.4 million, marking the platform's strongest user growth since 2021. The milestone coincides with the rollout of Cake Tokenomics 3.0, which ends cake staking and introduces a burn mechanism targeting 5.3 million tokens annually. Daily emissions are being reduced from 29,000 to as low as 14,500 to support long-term sustainability. The Sui ecosystem experienced a sharp rise in activity, with trading volume jumping 180% to $3.8 billion, fueled by a meme coin trading frenzy. Meme coins like Tardy and Agent S saw gains of 124% and 100% respectively, while others like Blub and Lofi also rallied. As a result, the Sui ecosystem market cap rose 28% to $12 billion and DEX trading volumes surged, hitting $772 million by Wednesday, up from $327 million earlier in the week. Over the past 7 days, $2.5 billion worth of tokens were traded on the Sui chain. This spike in trading activity coincides with a jump in daily active addresses, helping push Sui's price from $2.1 to $2.9 between mid-April and April 22nd. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 Hour TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3hourstv.io or scan the QR code.